This is a tutorial to create a metric border template. So to start off with, I will go up to File, Open, select Files of Type, and select the drawing template. And you should have already created a metric template with your last name. So I'll click it, start it up, and basically this is what shows up on the screen. And I know it's the metric template. If I go up here, there's all my different layers, and if I start in the corner, it should be 0, 0 somewhere there. If I go up upwards here, it should be about 290 and 215, so that's about right. So, and if I zoom, A for all, it'll say I've reached the outer limits, and that's as far as I get to go. Okay, so I know I have my metric template opened. So to start off with, I start with a line. It starts at 5, 5. There's where my line starts. I'm going to turn ortho on so I can only go in a straight line horizontally or vertically. And I'm going to go along, and I can sit here and just type in or continue along until I get to the right numbers, which happen to be 270. Or I can just simply type in at 270 at an angle of 0 and hit enter. And it puts me there. My upper limits are at 190 at an angle of 90. Put me there. At 270 at an angle of 180, puts me at the end, and finally I can use the letter C to close. So, closed off. Now that I've done that, I'm going to offset the bottom line, so I type in offset, and now it says the distance, and I know from the assignment it says I'm supposed to offset it by 20 millimeters, so I'll grab 20 millimeters, grab the object or the entity, click it, and as long as I click anywhere up here, it will go this way. There it is. Okay, I'm going to hit escape to exit out of that command. Next, I'm going to grab a line, and what I want to do is basically create a couple lines here to put in for my name, the date, the scale, and a graphic over on the far side to represent maybe the company, and in the middle will be a title block. So to do that, I've selected line. The problem is I can't pick anywhere here, and I don't want to guess. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to eSnap, right mouse click, settings, and I'm going to hit, instead of midpoint, I'm going to take nearest and click OK. And what I'll do then is I'll just pick somewhere along here that looks roughly the same as the assignment and come straight down, and I'll pick that. There's my first line. Okay, and oops, looks like I didn't go straight down, so I'm just going to take that, hit delete, go back to line, and I think I'm going to check my snap. What are my snap settings? There's my thing. My snap settings are out. So I'm going to change my snap to 5. Okay, I actually change my grid to 10. So you probably already have yours set up. Mine was just slightly different. I'm stopping.